Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. Welcome to my new channel. Alright, for those who watch this on the Jnel comedy channel and hear me say new channel, I'm gonna be like, what Jnel, what are you talking about, new channel? Well, the full video will be on my next channel, which is Jnel for real. You see me, I'm gonna leave the link in the description and in the comments, and you can go over there and watch the rest of the video. Alright, so basically I see this thing I go around where people are going like say them get a scholarship, where them get a scholarship where they might get money or they might get like an opportunity if you go somewhere overseas such and such. I go to that prank here, pan, guess who? No, you're wrong. Pan, my mother. Basically what I gotta do is I gotta tell her if pretend like she, hold on, frame of this. I tell her if pretend like she deaf, you see me, and say some things about her if we get the scholarship, where, say for instance, my mother was never like a prostitute, you see me, and I'm gonna be like, oh, my mother used to do prostitution and such and such. I gonna make somebody call me, you see me, and like speak fluent English. We want to do this for you and such and blah blah blah, so she can actually hear. So knowing that she hear the person, she gonna be like, oh, this is real. So you want to sponsor me? So I want to record a video. Like would I say the reason why would I like to get the sponsor and stuff like that.
Okay. So put on me here. Should I look better than this? Should I put my hair on and like makeup and like that?
Alright, so normally
You know what you could have said? She used to wash people clothes. And as she get the money, she use it buy food, come give it to eat.
Alright.
And then the other day she have to go on again, and you know, you put something in there, but when it come to them.
Alright, she used to wash people clothes, you see me, and when she get pay, you know, we the home, we don't know nothing about her pay, she take money go give man and them type of something.
No.